Hi kids, today is our subject English grammar, and our 8th lesson of English grammar is days of the week. You all know the days of the week, and you learned days of the week in your previous classes: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So these are the 7 days of the week. Okay, let's revise and solve the exercise in this lesson. There are 7 days in a week. Each day has a name. Starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. Sunday is a holiday, and other 6 are working days. So you have to learn all 7 days of the week spelling and then solve this question. Write the correct name of the days of the week in the blanks. You have to fill this blank. Dash dash is my favorite day. Which is your favorite day? Write here. If you like Sunday, then write Sunday. If you like the another day in the all the remaining 6 days, you write that day's name here. Then dash dash is the day after Friday. Which day comes after Friday? Saturday. So you have to write Saturday here. Then dash dash is the day before Friday. Before means earlier. Which day comes before Friday? The answer is Thursday. So you have to write Thursday here. The last day of the week is last day of the week. In the given way, the last day of the week is Sunday. So you have to write Sunday here. The days that come between Monday and Thursday are, there are 2 days, Monday and Thursday. In between there are 2 days coming, Tuesday and Wednesday. So you have to write Tuesday here and Wednesday in the next place. Okay, in this way we learn the days of the week. You have to recite all the spelling of the days of the week and solve this question. In this way we finished our topic.